Welcome back to another episode of Dinner to Dumbbells. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I do my braids. I have really straight hair, so every time when I go to the gym and when I get like really sweat, my hair just kind of like really nasty and snappy. Give me some ideas. If you like this kind of content, definitely give me a thumbs up or just leave comments down below and let me know. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is you are going to section your hair into two parts. If you are a beginner and you don't have anyone to help you out, ask someone to help to make sure that you have a very clean, straight line. So just want to make sure that they are, yeah, it's cool. I look like Sailor Moon, that's fine. As you can see from the back, that you're parting it properly. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna start braiding, right? So I want you to take out one section of your hair. Usually I just do it from beginning, and you want to make sure that you're not grabbing too much of a hair, and you want to part it into 3 sections. So 1 section, 2 section, and 3 section. So you want to put the first section under the middle section, and then you do the last section under the middle section, and then you wanted to grab another section of hair and merge into the right section of your hair, and you want to then braid it under the section. So you just continue doing the same thing. So practice makes it perfect. I remember when I first started braiding my hair, my arms were getting so tired because I was constantly failing, and I was like, oh man, this is like a complete arm workout. But as more that you start doing braiding, you would get a hang of it. That's what I believe in life too. Like anything that you do, if you practice more, eventually you're gonna get a hang of it, and you would get better at it. Trust me, nothing is impossible. Maybe peeing in the wind, because that would be really hard. So now, as you can see, you don't have that much hair left, and what I wanted to do is, so this is like the last piece, and I wanted to merge it somewhere here, and then I put it in the middle, and then you use the other outside hair and you merge it into the middle section. So now the hard part is you want to pull your hair to near you. Now that I have 3 chunks of hair, so now I'm just doing a regular braid. I dance a lot, so this helps me to keep my hair in place when I'm doing all these like crazy head movements. I look so retarded. You wanted to see how like your hair is kind of like braiding on this side, so you want it to kind of like match it. you have 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. So let me know if you actually end up doing this hair and find my video helpful. Alright, so until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye. So today is the second day of my hair. I just slept with my hair and it still looks pretty good. I'm gonna wear this the whole day. Today is actually day 3. I'm just gonna untie my hair. Yeah, that's the end result.